About 1800 years ago, in the 3rd century AD, the Han Empire was divided into 3 kingdoms. At about the same time, Maya culture in Central America was entering its heyday. And in Italy, the Roman Empire faced anarchy, and the inhabitants of the earth at that time in general still adhered to the teachings of polytheism, which recognized the existence of many gods. Approximately at that time, there was a collision between the 2 suns in the Cygnus Costa. At that time, no one on Earth could not see the collision because it occurred far from Earth at a distance of about 1,800 light-years. That means the light generated by the collision will only reach the Earth 1,800 years later. In the universe as well as in our galaxy, there are many double solar systems where 2 or more suns orbit each other. There are times when the stars or the sun collide. One saying that has been observed for a long time by astronomers. Now experts say the collision that occurred nearly 2,000 years ago will be visible to the naked eye in the not too distant future. Experts say the collision of the 2 suns will be visible from Earth in 2022. Astronomy expert Leramonid from Kelvinolis in the state of Michigan said the bright light caused by the collision of the sun would appear as the brightest object at night, in other words. The 2 suns in the Cygnus constellation finally collide and produce tremendous energy. More than 80% of the stars or suns in our galaxy fall into the category of double stars consisting of 2 or more suns orbiting each other. But according to him, if there were 2 suns in our solar system, maybe life as we know it today would not appear, because the temperature is too hot. Even if there is life on Earth, that life will definitely be destroyed if the 2 suns collide and produce energy that will burn all the planets around it. There are still many interesting things for us to discuss. Wait for the latest video from worldfun Facts. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like it. Please like and comment if there is something you want to add. Already watching this video, hope you are healthy. See you soon. Next is the rare and strange phenomenon of the appearance of 3 suns in the Russian sky. And next is a rare and strange phenomenon: 3 dragons sucking water in a China lake. And the last one is a rare and strange phenomenon that appears like a mountain in Indonesia.